and today I'm here to bore you again with some stuff from Gigabyte. And I already did a motherboard, and I didn't do for that same build the graphic card. Yeah, I'm going to talk today about the Gigabyte graphic card GTX GeForce 1060 3 gigs of VRAM. So stay tuned and see what I'm going to show you. Now let's start. Here we have Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1060 3GB OC edition Windforce fan shroud. Let's just open it and see what we got inside. I think here we won't have that much paper, user's manual, that kind of stuff, but the main part is the graphic card, not the other things. So what are we waiting for? Actually, I'm not going to show you any of the paperwork because it's not important. You plug it in, you install the drivers, and it works. And you play your games. Now, as usual, it comes with this kind of anti-static bag, and a bit hard to pull it out, but here it is, guys. And the best part about this graphic cards, well, the lower series, is this. It finally has a backplate. I mean, this is really cool because a few series before you couldn't get a backplate from the factory, and if it's not a custom backplate, and now they have it. And why is it so cool? I mean, you don't have that kind of money to invest in, I don't know, some high-end graphic cards, high-end all that other stuff, components, and you still want your computer to look nice when you go and start up your computer, and the first thing you do is notice it, of course, and then you just look at it, and then you see the PC board from the graphic card, you see that B250 motherboard that doesn't look that nice like the Z or H motherboards or X99 or something like that, but this gives you the opportunity to, well, pimp your computer and make it look as it should. I mean, as every computer should look. But enough with the small talk, let's take a look of this cool graphic card. Now, as you can see, these fans have some sort of rips on them, and they have a different way of spinning. One fan spins on the right and the other one spins on the left, but I'll explain that later on. Let's just take a closer look of this. Now it has one, I think this is DisplayPort, HDMI, and two DVD connectors for your monitors. The best thing, and finally they have managed to put it in all graphic cards. I mean, I've unboxed like 5 to 10 graphic cards in past couple of months. Now they are all placing this caps and this one here for the PCI Express connector, which is pretty cool. It protects it when it's traveling, it protects it when you're not using your connectors. No dust, no nothing, and that is really positive. Now, what else could we say? The design of the graphic card is really cool, apart from the part where you see the passive cooler here, but that won't be that bad. It uses 6-pin connector from your power supply, and well, it is 1060 graphic card, and that is quite alright. Now, let's, what do you say, we take a closer look, see how everything looks from up close. I mean, I've been talking here and showing you like this, but I know the camera doesn't zoom that good. So let's take a closer look and let me explain some details about it. Full name of the card is Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1060 Windforce OC edition with 3 GB of VRAM. Why Windforce? Well, the card features two 90mm unique blade fans. Fans have alternate spinning design to optimize airflow that reduces air turbulence and effectively dissipates the heat. Well, that's a really nice job in my opinion. Now, thanks to the triangle fan edge, airflow is split and guided smoothly through those 3D stripe curves on the fan surface. The fans are semi-passive and will turn on when the GPU actually needs and is working on a higher temperature. You have two core clock modes, OC and gaming mode. Now OC mode has boost clock up to 1797 MHz and gaming mode has a boost clock of 1771 MHz. Memory clock is 8008 MHz with the size of 3 GB GDDR5. Connectors are dual link DVI-D ×2 and you have HDMI 2.0B and DisplayPort 1.4. The graphic card uses the connector 1 6-pin and the recommendation of the power supply is minimum of 400 watts. That's all folks, another unboxing and a bit of not a review but introduction for the GTX 1060 from Gigabyte with 3 GB of VRAM memory. Now, it looks good, it will probably run your medium games very nice and for a decent price. I mean, it's not that expensive if you're into some medium detail resolution gaming and still it looks good. That is the whole point of it all. Now again, thanks for watching another video with me. I'm Dario from PC Crazy. See you next time. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. Thanks, bye.